Hi everybody, it's William here and welcome to Atelier Mystique and hello everybody and welcome to Sweden. My name is William and I'm outdoors here by a beautiful small forest lake. I have my knife with me and I am maybe going to do a fire here. Let's see. I have some other stuff to eat also, so I don't maybe I don't need to do a fire. But it's a beautiful sunny day here. It's autumn, and I'm going to do more outdoor videos in nature, and I'm going to learn as much as I can about bushcraft and yeah, about survival in nature, but also how I can find different things that I can use as an artist in my artwork. So my father and his brothers were really into being in the forest, and they are my father's brothers are still living in Lapland in Finland, and almost all of them have done something from wood, wooden houses or sculptures or other things. And my father, he liked a lot to be in nature, and he had a friend called Mauno, and they were fishing a lot. And then on my mother's side, she has several brothers that have created a lot of things from wood. So especially one brother from on my mother's side, but he's dead. He was really into, yeah, creating things from nature, from stones, wood, and all kinds of stuff. So I have felt a longer time that I have this in me. I have been painting with oil, painting graffiti, painting with acrylics, drawing, and all kinds of stuff. But it feels like it's time for me to start to do some craft from wood. Maybe start with some simple things as spoons or maybe some figures. I have some ideas how I want to make some characters and some spiritual beings. Here behind me I have a wood piece that I will maybe carve something from. Here it is, and yeah, I have some idea that I can maybe make a head here, maybe some arms and some legs, or maybe just a head and some type of body here, and maybe painted, maybe not, but let's see. So yeah, that was a little bit about me and what I'm doing. So hope you enjoyed this video and follow me on this mysterious adventure. Look what we have here, my friends. Amazing. It's back, or some other one. Let's see if you can walk up here. Can you walk up there? Yes. Look, my friends. This has never happened to me before. Amazing. I must put the knife here. It's just sitting there on the finger. Hey! My new spiritual friend.